All right, your first day in Japan, let's get you talking with the absolute essentials.
Okay, let's jump right in. We're going to follow a traveler's day, starting at the airport. So, you've just landed. First stop, the currency exchange. Keep an eye on those N levels.
First up, N5 green. To get anyone's attention, just say sumimasen. It works for everything.
Now, to ask where something is, this phrase, wa doko desu ka, is a total lifesaver.
Directions are usually simple. Listen for masugu, that's straight, and hidari, which is left.
Okay, level up to N4 blue. At the counter, just say the amount and currency. Easy. All right, you've got cash. Next up, tackling the massive but amazing train stations.
You're going to hear this word Suica.
And yeah, it kind of sounds like watermelon, doesn't it?
But nope, not a fruit. It's actually a super handy rechargeable card for travel and shopping.
You can grab one at a ticket machine. Let's go ahead and load it with 3,000 yen.
The machines can look intimidating, but just find the English button. It makes things so easy.
Okay, Suica in hand, let's find that hotel. And really, don't be shy about asking.
People often use landmarks to help. Here, you're being told to look for a blue sign.
And look, a convenience store right next to it. That's a super easy landmark to spot.
Speaking of Konbini, which are everywhere, let's pop in for a quick and delicious snack.
And get this, you can ask them to heat up your food. This is an absolute game changer.
They'll probably ask if you need chopsticks. A simple hi, meaning yes, is all you need.
But uh-oh, after that snack, your phone's not working. Looks like we need a mobile shop.
Okay, we're jumping to N3 orange here. It's a technical issue. Your APN settings are wrong. And hey, while you're there, maybe you're running low, you can ask to add more data. Phew, crisis averted. You've earned a break. Let's find a classic Japanese cafe, or kesaten.
First thing you'll notice, hot and iced coffee are often priced differently. Easy choice though. And of course, the most crucial question for any traveler, do you have Wi-Fi?
So, to wrap up, if you master just these 4 phrases, you'll absolutely crush your first day.
So, you totally survived day 1. Now, with these basics down, what's next for you?